Your flooring is where life happens, and it plays a big role in indoor air quality. The Asthma Allergy Friendly certification means that your flooring has been scientifically tested to help reduce triggers of asthma and allergies. Every certified product is tested in independent accredited labs, so you can trust the results are accurate and unbiased. We test emissions of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, 24 hours and again 14 days after installation. We review all ingredients to ensure that any sensitizing chemicals are either not present or at levels low enough not to be of concern. If an adhesive is used, it's included in the VOC testing also. Certified resilient flooring must allow at least 90% of allergens to be removed using recommended cleaning methods. For soft surface flooring, at least 75% of allergens must be removable through routine cleaning. Certified flooring is more than a design choice, it's a decision backed by science. Look for the Asthma Allergy Friendly mark. Peace of mind underfoot.